Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, obviously you guys know what I'm going to be doing by the title, but I wanted to start this video with just a bare face because I didn't want to scare the shit out of you guys. My previous look was an angel, so what better way to do quite the opposite than to do the nun for this tutorial. I'm just crossing my fingers that my kids do not wake up tonight and ask to go to the bathroom because I don't think they'll be prepared for that. I hope you guys are prepared for it, so if you are, then just keep watching.
I'm back. Boo.
To begin, I'm using Elmer's glue stick and I'm gonna flatten out my eyebrows. I'm also gonna be taking a spoolie to really comb them to a flat finish. And I'm going to repeat the same exact step until I just don't see the eyebrow hairs. Once you have like completely covered up your eyebrows, go ahead and apply a setting powder over, preferably a translucent setting powder. I'm using my Beauty Bakery flour powder and I'm just pushing it against my eyebrows since it does have a tacky finish from the glue. Once you have applied the powder, go ahead and dust off the remainder of the loose powder. Now I'm picking up my Jeffree Star concealer in C0 since this does have really good coverage. I just want to cover up my eyebrows and I'm using white paint, so I think it'll work better if you use a white base. Take a sponge and begin to blend that in, and then I'm applying some contact lens. These here are from Unico Eye in the color Cosplay Yellow. I do have a full review trying different contact lenses and these being one of them. I did try some other cosplay contact lenses in one of my videos. I'm going to go ahead and link that up for you guys. Now I'm taking one of Mayron's white paints and I'm beginning to just apply it all over my face, which is pretty easy. As I've mentioned in my previous Halloween tutorials, when you are playing with paints, make sure that when you apply the first layer, let it dry and then continue to build up on that coverage until your desired shade. Again, picking up my Jeffree Star concealer in C0, I'm applying that to the eye area because it does leave like a creamy finish to it. So it's just a really good base for eyeshadow. Once again, I'm also using my Beauty Bakery setting powder and I'm applying it under the eye area to avoid any fallout. I'm using my Jeffree Star Alien palette and picking up the color Black Hole, which is a black shade, and packing that eyeshadow on. This is an extremely black eyeshadow. I love it so much. So all you're going to be doing is packing it on all over the eye and then worry about the edges later. This look is not the neatest and it's not meant to be. It's supposed to be scary, messy, and well, you get it. So now I'm dusting off the excess powder underneath the eye area and moving on to the rest of the face. I'm taking this bruise wheel from Nun Makeup and I'm applying this to my lips because I don't have a black lipstick. So I'm just applying it messily on my lips because if you take a look at the Nun Makeup, it's very messy in the mouth area. I think it's because she eats a lot of corpse. And I'm picking up the color Martian Soil from the Alien palette and applying it to the faces just to add a little bit more texture because her face just looks very messy and scary. And I feel like this is the perfect color to make it look a little bit more aged in the face. The next color I'm using is called X-Files and I'm applying it just in random areas just to darken up the look a little bit more. Picking up my Steve Laurent lip liner. This one is in the color Chic and I received it from BOXYCHARM a month or two ago, and I'm just using this to apply some cracks in the face and just more texture. I'm also taking my black pencil liner from CoverGirl and just applying more cracks to the face just to define the previous cracks that I created. Mixing X-Files and Martian Soil, I'm just going to start to apply it at the perimeter of my face. I'm also picking up this color here called Ghost OG and just applying it on random places of my face. And I went in very lightly with my brush to that color because I was scared that it was going to appear a little bit too dark. I'm taking my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics and just applying it to the eyelashes just to darken them up. And I'm also just making sure that I don't have any paint or excess eyeshadow on the eye area. I put my hair up in pigtails so that I can cover up my head with this nun kit that I picked up from my local Halloween store for $7.99. I put that on, and then I'm taking some blood paste. This one here is from Graftobian. And I'm just applying it to my lip area. And my teeth, I guess. Now that I'm under different lighting, I'm realizing that I should have contoured and created a little bit more like dimension to the cheekbones right here, a little bit more hollow. Because I have a really round face and it just doesn't look right. Just like that. Alright guys, and that completes this look. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of my Halloween videos. If this is your first time watching me, I have several different Halloween looks up for you guys already, so make sure that you are caught up with those. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!